Hello and welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this yummy and delicious smoked fish jollof rice. I started by letting the water in my pot dry, after which I added vegetable oil. You're going to let the vegetable oil heat for a little while, and then you add onions, which you're going to let fry for a little while as well. That's ground ginger. You can slice it if you wish. It's always nice to add ginger at about the same time with the onion so that both flavors can combine, and of course there's enough time for them to simmer properly and give your food a really nice flavor. Curry. I added a bit of curry to help enhance the color of the smoked fish jollof rice. And then at this stage you're going to have a really nice aroma all over the place. Again, let this simmer for a little while. You can as well start adding other ingredients. I added tomatoes, sliced tomatoes. In this case I didn't add any tomato paste because tomatoes doesn't really color your meal. That's why I added a little extra curry so that it helps to enhance the color of the rice. You can decide not to use curry. It's just going to make it whiter, if you know what I mean. The color will not pop. And you can decide to use tomato paste if you want. Just the most important thing is something to enhance the smoked fish, because there are certain things you add that would not let the smoked fish pop. Green peas. It's always good to add green peas at an early stage because it's a bit hard to cook. What I mean, it doesn't cook fast enough, so you give enough room for it to cook properly before. And then the smoked fish, of course. This is Titus fish, medium-sized Titus fish. I had to debone it, remove the head, remove the bones, so you don't accidentally eat bones while you're eating your rice. Ground crayfish. Salt, of course, salt to taste. Seasoning cubes, 2 or 3 seasoning cubes. I grounded it. Water. Be careful where you're adding water. I think I added a little extra water than I should, but if you're going to prepare this, you should be careful with water to make sure that your rice is not soggy at the end of the day. The reason I added extra water is because the rice was not very cooked. Of course, I just parboiled it. I still had a long way to go for the rice to get properly cooked, so I had to add the extra water in this to make up for the difference. But if your rice is almost cooked, you might not need to do this. Of course, you're going to stir very well, making sure that all the ingredients at the bottom of the pot is stirred together to get to the surface and back, and to make sure that there are no ingredients left at the corners of the pot. Yay, my smoked fish jollof rice is almost ready. So I added the pepper, the red bell pepper and carrot to the food at this stage because they cook very fast. If I had added at the early stage, and of course green beans, if I had added it at the early stage, it would get really soft and it will not look appetizing, and of course it will not taste appetizing as well. Again, stir very well. And you're good to go. Smoked fish jollof rice is ready. Super yummy. You want to give this a try, trust me. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the notification button so you get alerts whenever I post. Don't forget to drop your comments below, share with your friends, and enjoy this yummy smoked fish jollof rice. Until next time, bye.